basically you want to be fit, you may perhaps want to lose weight, whatever your fitness goals for 2022 is. Trust me, you're going to get it done. You're going to be there. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a few hacks of how you can get them fast and how you can really get them done. Hello and what's up? This is Nusrat. I'm a fitness enthusiast, a mindset and fitness coach, as well as an ethical hacker. Today I'm going to share with you some tricks about how you can make 2022 the fittest year of your life. But before that, if you have not subscribed already, subscribe below so that you can stay tuned to more content like this. Basically, you want to be fit, you may perhaps want to lose weight, or you want to be strong. It's not going to be another New Year resolution you're going to write down and then completely forget about it. These are practical steps you can take right now so that you really get your goal in 2022. Number one, you probably need to set aside a time where you're going to do your workout. So if you are a busy job holder, if you have a 9 to 5 job, think of a time every day you can do a certain workout. It could be after you come back home, it could be before you go to work, but make sure that in 2022 you are consistent to it. You could have the weekends off, but whenever you can, you need to be sticking to that routine. When you create a routine, it's going to help you and your brain can register that, okay, for example, it's 8 o'clock, I need to change and I need to get my workout done. So the more you're going to do it, it's ultimately going to become a habit and ultimately it's going to become your new lifestyle. So when your new lifestyle is something that is related to fitness, there is no way you can skip your workout, right? So basically just doing it twice a week or thrice a week won't work. You need to do it minimum 5 times a week so that your brain really registers this fact, this new information about you, that you from now on are going to work out at a consistent basis. Hack number 2, go for morning walks. If you can, wake up early and seriously go for a morning walk, take a shower. It's really going to have a huge impact on your energy levels. It's also going to set you up for the day. It's going to make you feel more productive. Spending some time in nature earlier in the day is also going to help you feel calm and grounded. But most importantly, the morning walk is also going to help release endorphin, which is a happy hormone. It's associated with pleasure and happiness. So when you go out for a morning walk, not only do you actually get benefited from the walk itself, but it really preps you up for anything that you do the rest of the day. Hack number 3, prepare your meals earlier. Set aside a certain day when you can really prepare all your meals. So it could be Sunday when you're free, and that's the time you're going to plan your grocery list. Perhaps you're going to go and get the groceries, get more veggies, get more fruits. Perhaps on this day you could really slice it up, or you could perhaps think of where you could really get your vegetables, the good food nearest to you, where you could get the quickest. So in this way you won't really have to be like confused the rest of the week on what to have and what not to have. And that's usually when we make like poor decisions when it comes to food, because we are not aware, because we are not like, we do not also have the enough time to make a wise decision. If you prepare your meals at least a week earlier, or if you always have a consistent day in a week to prepare your meals, you're definitely going to find a huge shift in your life. The next hack is kind of hard, but it is going to help you a lot. And I'm going to ask you to get a sugar detox. If you can do it for 7 days, that's great. And if you can do it for more than 7 days, you can do it for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, or even a month, which is kind of really difficult, but you can go for it. Or you could do something that I do, have sugar once a week on a cheat day and try not to have it the rest of the days, because sugar is really addictive. the more you're going to have it, the more you would want to have it. It also is going to hamper whatever progress you make from the gym or from your workouts. So make sure that you cut off sugar, and instantly you're going to see that you're going to lose a lot of pounds. Again, you can have a small quantity of it on a certain day or on 2 days, but it's always good to go for a detox so that you really get rid of that addiction from sugar. Always make sure that you get rest days. I know you might be feeling super pumped up, you might want to work out every single day, you might really want to give your 100%, but rest is as important as working out, because if you don't rest at all, it's really going to tire the muscles out and you're not going to see enough progress, enough results from your workouts. So have a day off, just take care of your body, take care of your mind. And also, if you work out, if you do heavy lifting, or if you do anything too strenuous, try to do hard on one day and a little bit softer workouts like stretches on the next day, and make sure that you have one day off from the week. Get an accountability partner, a coach or a mentor who's really going to keep you going. Sometimes what happens is that we take a resolution, such as on January 1st, and then we completely forget about it, or we don't feel motivated as much. But when you have a coach or a mentor, you're going to feel more and more motivated, and you're going to be accountable to really get your goals done. So that's all for today. If you have any more interesting hacks related to fitness, you can comment below so that we all can share the knowledge we have with each other, and we all can help each other, we all can inspire each other. Let 2022 be your fittest year. I wish you all the best. Stay fit, stay strong, stay healthy.